Hello aviators, my name is Chris Palmer from Angle of Attack with another episode of 1 Minute Wings. So I'm standing out here on the ramp today. We've actually got a broken airplane, so no flying. But this has just been snowed on, but also scraped off. And there is a maintenance guy behind me who is clearing the taxiways. So I wanted to bring attention to the fact that we have all these great airport maintenance people, airport managers that manage the airports for us in so many places we fly that make it easy to just move around and do what we do. So let's thank our airport managers, our airport maintenance people, and make sure that they know that we appreciate them. You can find more information about flight training on angleofattack.com. Until next time, throttle on.